Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by powering the machine off and raising the needle and presser foot so the path is free. This prevents snagging and gives you clear access. Once done, cut the old thread close to the spool and gently pull remaining thread from the machine and bobbin case so no tangles stay behind. Make sure you place the new spool on the pin, secure it with the cap, and choose a thread that matches weight and fiber to avoid tension problems later. You now guide the thread through the upper threading path. Lead it from the spool into the pre-tension guide, then into the tension discs so it seats properly. This controls stitch quality. Next, bring the thread up and through the K-cup lever when the lever is at its highest point, because that locks thread movement into the stitch cycle. Finally, thread the needle front to back using a needle threader if needed. Make sure the thread lies under the presser foot so feed dogs can pull it smoothly. You finish by winding a bobbin with the same thread or inserting a pre-wound bobbin, ensuring it follows the machine's indicated direction so tension behaves correctly. Once seated, hold the upper thread, lower the needle into the bobbin area and turn the handwheel to catch the bobbin thread, then pull both threads to the rear under the presser foot. So a few test stitches on scrap fabric. If you see loops on one side, adjust the corresponding tension dial.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.